Gently sweeping the dust away now. Look at the shine underneath. This bike is almost ready. We have some significant micro blistering here, and this deep scratch on the tank will need careful attention. You can see the extent of the corrosion here. The blue crystals around the terminal. Let's inspect these throttle bodies. See the grime under the boots? We'll use the fine brush and cleaner to get into these crevices.
Applying pressure now. Feel that resistance. It's starting to crack. Listen to that crunch.
We're working on the main harness for the 99 Hayabusa, ensuring every connection is precise and labeled.
Feel that grit. That is not smooth at all. This entire assembly needs to be replaced before we can even think about putting it back on the bike. We're just hitting this last section of the 99 Hayabusa frame now, getting all that surface rust off before we polish it up. Disassembling the GSX1300R caliper. You can see the dirty pistons right here, laid out on the bench.
We apply a thin layer of assembly lube before carefully seating the new seal. Then the piston slides right in.
Apply steady pressure with the precision tool until the bearing is perfectly seated.
And there we have the exhaust and intake lines perfectly flush with the head.
This is the heart of the legendary 1999 Hayabusa. Every component has been meticulously restored to better than factory specifications.
We have to be extremely thorough with the tack cloth, especially around these welds, to ensure perfect adhesion.
This is the key to a perfect paint job. You can't rush the sanding, especially on a classic like the Hayabusa. This is the iconic Hayabusa fairing, perfectly primed and ready for paint. Feel the smoothness.
Notice the flawless welds. Every inch polished to a mirror finish.
Okay, now we slide the fork tube into the triple clamp. Nice and smooth. Hear that click? That's 23 Newton meters.
Guiding the axle through the hub and spacers. Now we apply the final torque setting, ensuring everything is perfectly aligned and secure.
Aligning the intake runners now, making sure the rubber connections are clean. Now tightening the bolts to spec.
Routing the main harness along the frame spine, making sure every clip is secure.
Just applying the final coat of polish to the fairing. Look at that mirror finish.
And the fairing aligns perfectly with the tank. Now we secure the precision fasteners. Listen to that click. Buffing the chrome, nice and easy now. Getting that perfect, brilliant shine.
Behold the legendary 1999 Suzuki Hayabusa, fully restored to factory new condition.